going on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, man, we got the Air Jordan 1 Game Royals, Royal Alternates, whatever you want to call them. Before I get into it, big shout out to Fine Line 1721. My boy always coming through. All his information will be in the description. Take a look at these babies, just looking so nice. Look at that. I'm a big fan of blue. Now, as for quality with this shoe, honestly, the quality is nice. Like the front of the toe has some nice leather. It's nice and soft, you know what I'm saying? But when you get towards the back, it's stiff. Definitely reminds me of the Fragment ones. But, you know, these are the poor man Fragments, of course. Them coming out with this colorway is pretty dope. Alright, I'm going to flip the camera around so I can give you guys a better look at the shoes. Let's go. When I give you guys these reviews, I like to give you the reviews like this so you guys can get a nice close-up of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? I can stand in front of the camera and all that, but what I do like to do is give you guys a real close-up so you guys can get a better look at how they look. And I like to show you guys the arm feet. You know, maybe you might like them, maybe you don't. Let's get straight into it, man. You box heads, typical Jordan 1 box is coming in. Nothing special. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is Game Royal Black Summit White. Inside the box comes your regular white paper. Take a look, man. These things are clean. Love the color of the blue. Does come with an extra set of laces. Start off with the front of the toe. Have a little slight, you know, tumble, as you guys can see. Well, look when I push down. It's soft. It's not that bad. Your white in the front of the toe, of course. You can see you got your blue, black laces. Going up on the tongue, you got your nylon on the tongue. You got your Nike Air branding on the tongue right there in the blue. You do got a white midsole. Alright, you got your black swoosh with your white area over here. Show you guys a close-up of the leather. You got your wing right there, Air Jordan in black. Take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. White midsole, hit a white right there with the black swoosh, and you do got your blue hits. Back of the shoe, you can see you got your hits of blue, black, and white. Inside, white inner sole, Nike Air branding in blue. Sock liners in black. Take a look at that bottom. Bottom just straight blue with your Nike Air branding right there. Now, as for the quality, I want to say these are similar to, definitely reminds me of the Chicago ones. Take a look at both the toe boxes. This one has a little bit more wrinkly effect to it. In my opinion, I say Royals is just like the Chicago ones, guys. Honestly, I wasn't really thinking about getting these, but for some reason, man, I was just looking at them and I was like, you know what? I love blue. I don't have the Fragment ones. Hey, might as well just grab them, man. Definitely a dope shoe that I would love to wear, you know, from time to time, and just a dope colorway. People that love Jordan 1s, these are definitely dope, man. Hopefully they'll go on sale, so I suggest you guys hold off. Maybe they might sit. I don't know. I'm just here to give you guys the review and let you see what they look like on feet. You know what you guys think in the comment section below. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? We're about to get into this on feet. Hit that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Stay tuned. Got a giveaway coming. And I really appreciate you guys. But other than that, man, it's your boy DS Dan. And I'm gone.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.